Hey, Jim, you all know Donald Trump is going to be sentenced on January 10th, so here's going to be my reaction.
These United States, Donald Trump will face sentencing for his having been found guilty of 34 counts.
34 counts.
Of falsifying business records, allegedly to conceal $130,000 in hush money
You
payments.
got you over hush money, so yeah.
But there is some good news here for the president-elect. Let's go to CNN's Kara Scannell. Kara, what is the judge in the case saying?
Yeah, Jake, so the judge is sentencing Donald Trump on January 10th, but the judge is also saying that given the practical considerations of this issue, that it's 10 days before Donald Trump is about to be sworn in as the next president of the United States, that he says that he is likely, he says, he's inclined to not sentence Trump to any incarceration, and that his sentence would be one of unconditional discharge, which in real language means that there wouldn't be any sort of penalty. There would be no time
Donald
served
Trump,
in
dude.
jail or
Fuck him.
prison.
He gets away with everything.
That Trump would be required to abide by. It would just be that the case is over, the judgment is entered, and that would allow Trump to then begin to try to appeal the conviction itself. And
he gets away with everything, but not today. Not today. Not January 10th.
The indictment dismissed, and the Judge Juan Merchan has repeatedly dismissed those efforts, including today. But he's now going to, assuming that Trump does not postpone the sentencing here, January 10th.
He's not going to postpone it. He can't get away.
That would allow Trump to continue to try to appeal it. Although Trump's lawyers have indicated
you can't appeal it, Trump. So okay.
Trump from being sentenced.
You can't get away, Trump. You don't know. We all know. You don't know. You paid hush money, and you're not gonna get away with it. So sucks to be you, Trump.
So their next moves would be to try to go to an appeals court to get an emergency action to stay the sentencing, to postpone it, so that Trump is not facing any sentencing before he's sworn in.
You're not going to postpone it. You're just a big baby. You're just a big chicken, Trump. You're gonna go to jail.
Focusing on both the jury's verdict and the sanctity of that verdict, but also rejecting a number of Donald Trump's arguments, especially as ones that Trump had made about the strength of the evidence.
You know, Trump, you're going to go to jail, Trump.
Saying that
so,
it would cause
I hope you go away for a very,
to
very long time, Trump.
Confidence in the rule of law if he were to dismiss the indictments on some of Trump's arguments.
Hope you go away for a very long time, Trump.
So while it is bad news for Trump that he is
go away for a very long time, Trump.
Certainly good news for him that the biggest concern that he could face potential jail time, potential other sort of remedies against him. The judge signaling here that he will not sentence Trump to any incarceration, will not put any restrictions on him, including probation, as he assumes his second term as president. Jake?
And we should note that Stephen Chung,
I hope he gets that probation because Trump did a lot of bad stuff. He paid hush money.
Today's order by the deeply conflicted acting Justice Merchan and the Manhattan DA witch hunt is a direct violation of the Supreme Court's immunity decision and other longstanding jurisprudence.
Trump is not a witch hunt.
Says the Constitution demands it be immediately.
This is very serious.
Kara Scannell, thanks to you. Appreciate it.
Paula, take us through this ruling and what it means for the
president. This is very serious, Trump.
Well, after this opinion, President-elect Trump is still a convicted felon, but there is
Trump, you're a convicted felon. You should have been president.
I hope you get stripped of it. To impose penalties against Trump after being convicted of 34 counts of falsifying business records last year.
34
the judge
counts.
did have the option to impose a jail sentence.
I hope you get stripped of the presidency, Trump. I hope you do.
Previewing what he will do next Friday, saying that is not something he is going to
so
do.
That's my opinion on the Trump sentencing. So see you later, YouTube, and have a nice day.